The 8 Maidens' Praise of Mañjuśrī, Lord of Speech. Possessor of youthful body, adorned by the lamp of wisdom that removes the darkness of delusion from the world. Homage to Mañjuśrī. Your flood of radiance outshines the full moon and banishes ignorance. Homage to Mañjuśrī. Upon whose topknot, uncreated and vivid, rests a form glittering with gems, whose body is a delight to all. Homage to you, Mañjuśrī. Like ambrosia, soft and deep, the pleasing sound of your voice, O Holy One, trove of Dharma jewels, homage and praise to you, Mañjuśrī. Countless as drops of water in the Ganges are the stains of affliction. You dispel in every world. Homage and praise to you, Mañjuśrī. Terrifying is your body's manner, when, fangs bared in fearsome pose, you shatter the Lord of Death's arrogance. Homage and praise to you, Mañjuśrī. You are beautified by a blue utpala that is like your eyes in lustre, as you bear an alms bowl in your hand. Homage to you, Mañjuśrī. With immense offerings and praise to the Buddhas dwelling in the 10 directions, we pay homage to you, Mañjuśrī, teacher of the path to liberation. This concludes the 8 Maidens' Praise.